If you're choosing between SketchUp Pro and AutoCAD, this isn't just 3D versus C80. It's speed versus precision. So is AutoCAD still better? Let's break it down. SketchUp Pro is built for fast, intuitive 3D modeling. It's widely used for architecture, interiors, and concept design because you can create and visualize ideas quickly with a very low learning curve. But here's the catch. It's not built for detailed technical drawings. Precision annotations and complex documentation are limited compared to C80 tools. AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, is the industry standard for precise drafting. It's heavily used in engineering, architecture plans, and construction documentation. It gives you exact measurements, layered drawings, and full control over technical details. The downside is complexity. AutoCAD has a steep learning curve and takes significantly more time to master compared to SketchUp. So the real difference is this. SketchUp Pro is for fast visual design, while AutoCAD is for accurate, professional documentation. From real user feedback, SketchUp is amazing for concepts, but not enough for construction drawings. AutoCAD is harder to learn, but it's what professionals rely on. So which one is better? Choose SketchUp Pro if you want speed, ease of use, and quick 3D visualization. Choose AutoCAD if you need precision, technical drawings, and industry-standard workflows. Bottom line, AutoCAD is still better for serious, production-level work. But for many designers, SketchUp Pro is a faster and more practical tool for getting ideas out quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.